In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your shopping experience on Best Buy's online store. Whether you're on the hunt for the latest electronics, household gadgets, or just browsing deals, this step-by-step guide will ensure you make the most out of your online shopping adventure. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're online, type in do.bestbuy.com into the address bar and press enter. You should now be greeted by the Best Buy homepage, which is a vibrant display of the latest offers, featured products, and exciting deals. It's a great starting point to find what you're looking for or to simply explore. Now, once you're on the Best Buy homepage, locate the cart icon. Typically, this icon is found in the upper right corner of the page. This cart acts as your shopping trolley, allowing you to manage everything you intend to purchase. Clicking on this button will not only show you what you've picked so far, but will also give you quick access to make adjustments or proceed to checkout. It's useful to remember that navigating to your cart isn't just about payment. As you shop, you can add and remove items, explore detailed product features, and even check stock availability. Whenever you find something you want to explore further, simply click on the product name or image to delve into specifications and customer reviews. This is your window into making informed decisions and ensuring you're getting exactly what you need. As you browse through your options, feel free to use the search bar at the top of the page. Here you can enter keywords or specific product names to simplify and speed up your searches. This is especially handy when you're shopping for highly specific items or comparing products. Another tip is to keep an eye on the deals and promotions. Best Buy often has limited time offers that could save you a decent amount. When you click on promotional banners, they direct you to sections featuring discounted items. This ensures you don't miss out on big savings. Finally, if at any point you encounter questions or need additional help, Best Buy offers a range of support options. These include customer service numbers and a helpful FAQ section. Reaching out can provide clarity, help resolve issues, and often provide insights about the latest products or ongoing promotions. And there you have it. With this guide, you're well equipped to manage your Best Buy online shopping session with ease and confidence. Enjoy your shopping experience, and may you find just what you're looking for at the best prices. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more insightful guides.